What's going on, guys? It's Quasi Dog here, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the all-new Starlink. Now, keep in mind, unfortunately, this is not mine. I have residential-based internet, very, very good internet where I live. So I borrowed this from a buddy. I had his shipment redirected here so I could test it out. Unfortunately, we're not part of the Starlink service address. And yes, I know we can change the service address, but we run the risk of when we change it back to my friend's address that he may lose priority to his localized satellite. So because it's here, because I have it in my possession, we're still going to unbox it. We're going to go over what's inside, and we're going to take a deeper look at exactly what you get if you were to order Starlink. If you guys are looking for an affordable Windows 10 key, then you need to do yourselves a favor and check out VIPscdkey.com. Using the link within the description below, as well as the coupon code GG20, you will have yourselves a brand new Microsoft Windows 10 Pro OEM CD key for as little as $15.82. What are you waiting for? Use that link within the video description, and thank you, VIP SCD Key, for sponsoring today's video.
Hit me like a ton of bricks. Doesn't matter, weak or strong. Take your time and do your tricks. All I do is sing along. Yeah, I need you around for brighter light and firmer ground. When you believe in me, love is gonna set me free.
All right, so I hope you guys liked that unboxing. I think we covered just about everything, but to summarize everything in full, we have included in the box, of course, the tripod. It's got 3 legs and it's got mounting holes on there as well if you do want to fix this down on, let's say, a deck. This does not include a roof kit by default, or like an antenna that you can put on the side of your dwelling. That you can order separately. You have the self-aligning satellite, which you can see right here below frame, and I will be doing a separate video on how to collapse this and put it all back together because it's not quite straightforward. The documentation and the app actually didn't really have any information, so I'll show you guys because of course I have to box this back up as well. Other than the immense amount of Ethernet that you can see right here, you also get these 2 utilities. Now, very simply put, this is your AC power. So that brick is going to power everything in this box. It only needs 1 plug, which is fantastic if you're going to be on the go. And then right here, we have an Ethernet that goes PoE, or power over Ethernet, to power the modem itself right here. Now, if you then choose to use your own networking gear, you do have another Ethernet out as well, but keep in mind, you're gonna have to supply your own power to whatever router you're using. Now, this is going to be within the home, so I don't think that's necessarily a big deal either. But if you're being mobile, then maybe just stick to this guy here. The Wi-Fi is actually not that bad. I know I didn't get to test the internet portion, but the connectivity went right from outside to inside. So that pretty much summarizes this video. Again, I wish I had had the availability to actually test the service. We will be going offsite in the future. In my province, personally, we're restricted from entering the next, and that's where the service address is for this guy. So once borders open back up, we're gonna go out, we're gonna see how this actually works in the field. But like I said, the last thing I wanna do is change the service address and then change it back to where this is actually going to be predetermined and set up, and have it kind of lose its priority connectivity on the intended satellite that it was signed up for. If you liked this unboxing, go ahead and leave a like and leave a comment down below to let me know if Starlink was something that maybe you've been looking at or you might be interested in. Until my next video, my name is Quasi Dog. You guys have been awesome, and we'll catch you all in the next one. Take care.